Hi my YouTube family, this is Melody from Home Garden and Fashion. I thank you so much for being here today. Today we're going to have a wonderful time together. Hi, today I'm going to put some pearls on my beautiful shirt. Now you can make any shirt really beautiful and make a pearl necklace in the shirt. All you need some pearl beads, or you can buy a pearl necklace and just take out the beads, and there are pearl necklaces available even in dollar store, because doesn't have to be genuine pearl. I mean, you're going to need quite a few pearl beads, so yeah, you can just buy one necklace and just take out the beads, and then you can decorate your t-shirt. And I'm using glitter dimensional fabric paint to glue this, and this paint really does a good job for gluing, and it's going to stay for quite some time. But make sure don't wash it in washer and dryer, just hand wash it and dry it in the shade hanging. Do not dry under the sun. And then this will stay for a while, and if it does fall off, you can just add it again. This paint acts as glue, but there are fabric glues available too. But if you make a necklace with your pearl beads, that just does a wonderful job, and you don't have to wear a necklace. So I found this t-shirt, I think it was Walmart, and then I didn't have anything beside this circle thing, so I decided to put something in it, and just, you can put rhinestone or pearl or whatever you wish, just give it a new look. So I'm just gonna do a design from imagination. I'm just going to attach this pearl beads alongside the neckline, and you can go around like few rows, as long as you want it, and or maybe whatever beads you have first, lay them down, see how many rows you can do, because you don't want to start doing and then you see you're halfway done and your bead finished and you leave unfinished work. So you take out all the beads and then you lay them down and see that how many can you actually put and how many layers can you do. And once you see that, then you start your work, so you know this much beads I have and I can give this many lines. Just pretty basic. You just put a little bit of glue and then you put your bead and just push it and press it. Now if you want a beautiful gold trim, you might just add a little bit more of this paint. But if you don't want anything coming out of your bead, then you just put a little drop, enough for the bead to get stuck, and then just push little bit, don't push too much, because if you put a big drop of this paint and push it too much, then you'll see there'll be a beautiful gold trim after it dries. When the paint is wet, it doesn't look that good, so when it dries, then you can see that it really looks nice and the trim looks like a nice gold trim. So the amount of bead I have, I think I can go about 3 or 4 rounds. I bought a big bag of beads, a big bag of pearl bead. I think I got it from either Michael or Joanne, either one of them. So yeah, you can just buy a necklace if you don't want to get a whole bag full of. So this one row will be enough if that's what you like. But then if you have extra bead, then you can just keep adding until your bead finish, or until you're satisfied. But be sure to just first lay them down and know how many lines you can do with your beads. So here I'm leaving like 4 beads on the top and going from, I left 5 beads on the top and going from the 6th one, and other side I'll do the same. So it's kind of going to be like layered. I could have gone all the way from the top, but I decided to leave top 5 and just, I don't know why, but I just thought that I should just layer it from the bottom, not too much from the top. Yeah, it does look good layering from the top. So it's just nothing to it, you know. You just get your any kind of rhinestone or bead and then get a fabric glue or glitter paint and then just stick the pearls with the glue. But it does look really nice, you know, when you wear the shirt. It really looks nice. Just a little bit of adding something really makes it look beautiful. Instead of just plain boring shirt, even if you have a like black color rhinestone or blue, especially blue will really look nice, or just like a diamond color rhinestone, look very shiny, glittery, anything to jazz it up instead of being simple. I mean, being simple is nice for the office, but then if you're going just out on Saturday, Sunday, or you're going to the friend's house or party, then you can just decorate it and then it's going to look even better. So I'm leaving here top 5. I think I added an extra. Yeah, I should have left 5 on the other side, but anyhow, I think it'll be okay. I mean, who's counting when you're wearing it? Nobody will count. How many did you leave from the top? 5. Oh yeah, I did leave 5. Yeah, that's both sides. Yeah, just make sure the both sides are equal. I mean, even if you don't have equal, I don't think it's gonna be a big deal. I mean, after all, it's your shirt. You choose to decorate the way you like. So my 2 rows over, 3rd row, I think I'm gonna leave about 3 or 4. So yeah, maybe I leave 4 and then start from the 5th one and leave 4 from that side. Yeah, that should do. So like that, make a pattern like suits you. So what did I leave there? 1, 2, 3, 4. Started from the 5th one. So, and then I'm gonna go other side. Also leave 4 beads. 1, 2, 3, 4, and then start from the 5th one. Yeah. So yeah, just make from your imagination whatever you feel like it. But the bottom line is when it dries, it's gonna look really beautiful. And just try one and see for yourself. It's not a big deal if you want to just spice up your shirt and you don't want to wear that one. And suppose you have a shirt and you've been wearing it for a while, and when it dries, I'm sure you can wear it at work too. I mean, it's just beads. People wear beautiful pearl necklaces at work, so why not a bead t-shirt, pearl t-shirt? So here, if you make any mistake, it's not a major mistake, you can fix it right there and then. If it's like a major mistake, you know, you dropped a big lump of paint, try to use paper towel and clean it up right away, because if you don't, it's gonna be permanent, because these are permanent paint, right? Even if the pearl is gone, the paint stain will stay there. So but if you wipe it off right away, then or wash it off right away, if you make a mistake, wash off the whole thing and then restart it when the fabric is dry. So got my 3 lines, and give some time to dry. 2 hours. Don't bother it, don't pick up, don't do anything with it. Just put a fan near it and let it dry for 4 hours solid. And when it's dry, it's gonna be beautiful. And that's how you can put pearl in any boring shirt and make it little bit new or interesting. So I decided to add one more, and here I'm giving 3 gap of 3, so I have 5 more. I'm just gonna add these and I'll leave it alone, let it dry for a good solid 4 hours. Okay, 2 to 4 hours depending. I think you're better off leaving 4 hours. Hi, thank you so much for being here today. I hope you enjoyed the video. Please don't forget to like, subscribe, comment and share this video. Thank you. May God bless you all.